This video is of a 1200 warm white curtain light. So it's 1200 bulbs. You've got a total length of 3 meters and a drop of 2 meters. And if I zoom in, you'll see the T's up there. So they're spaced at every 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. And then you have a drop 2 meters long. So there's 40 bulbs per drop. So this is actually, that's steady on, but you then can put that to a waterfall effect. That's a real fast waterfall flash. So it has 4 speeds in the waterfall effect. That's super fast. That one just gives the effect like a twinkling effect. And you can, next one down again is slower. And then finally the 4th slowest speed. I'll try and get back more square on so you can see it. That's the effect there. And then if you press the next button on the controller, that will go back to steady on again. So 4 warm white waterfall fast speeds and 1 steady on.